Good morning, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll. So it's really early in the morning because I had to set my alarm around 6:58 to get the boarding group for Tiana's Bayou because it's pass holder preview day at the Magic Kingdom. I'm really excited to see the new theming. I know what most people have seen is the same as Splash Mountain, just themed differently. But I'm excited for anything new that Disney is bringing to the parks. Oh yeah, I finally got my new Darth Maul Star Wars shirt since I couldn't get it like the last time I went to the park, so I ordered it online on the shop, Disney shop store online. But yeah, when you guys do it, you have to go on the My Disney Experience and click on join boarding group exactly 7 on dot, and you have to be fast. So I'm really excited. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I got boarding group 2. I'm not sure what time that is, but I'm gonna get to the park when it opens at 9 a.m. because you know you have a hour time frame from the moment they call you saying your group is ready, and group 2 is right on top of the list. Is probably gonna be called pretty quickly. I think that's the like earliest group number I ever got for any boarding group, whether it be for Tron or Guardians, or when they used to have it for Rise of Resistance, or any like ride that required the virtual queue thing. I've never got it that early. Like usually I'm like group 20 or 30 or whatever number, but this is like the fastest I've ever gotten it. Oh yeah, and then the recording of this video is on Father's Day. It's June 19, but the thing is, oh sorry, wrong day. Sorry, June 16. What am I saying? I'm like skipping 3 days ahead. But my father does not live here. I know you've probably seen videos of him last year when I went to Jamaica to visit him, so I'm gonna give him a call later and see how he's doing and tell him Happy Father's Day. But I am not seeing him because obviously he does not live here. He lives in Jamaica. So anyway, guys, I know this is such a long intro, but come along as we, and when I say we, I'm gonna be meeting up with my friend Bao, and we're gonna head over to Magic Kingdom. So see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so we made it to the Magic Kingdom. I didn't expect them to text me before the park even opened. Like literally at 8:50 I got a text saying you can ride it now. We were in the car on the way over, but luckily we had until 9:49 to get to the queue. So we're like racing to get over there because we have 10 minutes for our time frame to get over there. But you guys don't make the same mistake I did. I forgot my wallet at home. Like literally I forgot everything except my camera and my phone. But I had my Disney Annual Pass on my Apple Wallet. I was like, thank God, because I didn't have anything on me. I left my bag at home. But yeah, so that's a hack too. So if you don't want to carry your physical pass, have it on your Apple Wallet because it saves you so much time. Okay guys, we are about to ride Tiana's Bayou Adventure. I cannot wait. So we made it in time with just a few minutes to spare. So there we go. This is the entrance, the drop area for Tiana's Bayou. See if I can see somebody falling out of the ride. There we go. We'll be us in a few minutes. We were group 2, so they called a lot of groups since then. Hey, here we go. So cool, I'm so excited. This is gonna be the queue for the main entrance when we get in. So there's the chorus, it's never ever sight of what's really important, Tiana's. Okay, now we're inside of it. That's pretty cool. I like how they have these big giant fans to keep us cool while we're walking through the queue. Wow. Look at all those beignets. There's the beignets you're looking for. I like how the AC's in here. It feels cool. It was moving really quickly too. Getting through here, it didn't take too long. We're almost there, guys. Just have to go down these stairs. And there we are. Look, we're already here. That was really fast. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so we'll be the next one going on. And then we'll be heading in. So excited. That was fun. Okay guys, so we just got off Tiana Bayou and it was fun. I was happy how quickly the line went. It got longer way than when we first got in at 9:40 in the morning. So good thing we got the early group so we can get in and out pretty quickly. And the ride was fun. It was just like Splash Mountain except the theming was different. But I had a fun time. You don't get that way, just a little splash at the end, so you worried about getting soaked. This is not one of those rides.
4 years, yeah.
But yeah, I would definitely ride it again. So this is what the drop looks like from this view. I know I showed you the POV view and that's what it is like. Okay guys, so we're on the monorail right now, but we're gonna do something that I've never done before. We're gonna ride in the front of the monorail. I'm so excited. We're gonna do something for the very first time. I am so super excited. Hey Chris!
Hello!
Oh my gosh.
Check out my office.
This is awesome. I've never been in here.
Wow.
This is so cool. We're at the front of the monorail.
We're not allowed to drive people around, but
this is one time. This thing. This is so cool.
But you can check it out while we're stopped.
Alright guys, so Chris is allowing me to honk the horn. I have never done this in my life, but this is alright. You said just press it?
Yeah, that one there.
This is awesome. Alright guys, so we're in Disney Springs now because we have reservations for, I guess you can see, early lunch or a late breakfast, brunch, as you will call it, at Wine Bar George. I've been there once, but it's been a long time. So I've never been there for the food. Like last time I went there was literally for drinks. So it'll be exciting to see what they have on their menu for food today. Alright guys, since we can't go into the restaurant until 12:15, I wanted to show you something on the Starbucks app. So they're having a buy one get one today from 12 to 6, and I'm so happy at Disney Springs here, the Starbucks next to Walt Disney, they're gonna honor it, but we just have to wait till 12 o'clock, so that's pretty cool. So we decided to try the new refresher drinks. I had got the lemonade, summer refresher lemonade, and then Bao got the Skies drink. The only difference between these two is that his is the coconut milk, and I forgot what was in mine, but they look really good. He likes his so far. He already took a sip because it's really hot and toasty outside. Okay, we finally made it to Wine Bar George, which is across from Gideon's, which always has a line. Guys, if you want to head for a short line, go to the one in Winter Park. That location is never a line. But here we are. Alright, so to see the menu, you have to scan this QR code and then it pops up here. So these are like their starters, and then their main plates for brunch is like fried chicken biscuits, steak and eggs, burrito, omelets. Then they have their dessert sides. They do also have a cocktail menu if you want to get drinks here too. So we got a lot of wine and alcohol. So we're gonna get. So for appetizer, we're sharing the hummus. It comes with the pita bread and these cucumbers on the side, and then our main entree should be out in a few minutes. I'm surprised how busy the restaurant is, and everything came out really fast. So Bao had got the steak and eggs. It comes with 2 sunny side up eggs, and you can get the steak done how he wanted it, and he wanted it medium, and it comes with potatoes. And then I got the omelet. It's with bacon bits on the top and then tomato. So now we're eating brunch for lunch. Well, brunch. So, yeah. All right, guys. So I just got back home from Disney. It was a long day, but a fun day, and I just didn't end the video at Disney because I was so exhausted from getting up so early. I'm not a morning person, so I came home, took a nap, refresh. Now I want to talk about what happened. So, like, as you can see, first we went to Magic Kingdom to do Tiana's Bayou Adventure for the Passover previews, and everything was swell because, like I said, everybody that I talked to was saying that they've been having problems. Like a lot of cast members or friends or whoever that already been on it before me was saying it was breaking down. You had to wait hours to ride it. Like, we got really lucky, like I said, with the early boarding group. We got called in even before the park opened. We got to the queue on the ride, and within 10 minutes, like, everything was perfect. And then after that, headed over to Disney Springs because we had some brunch reservations and we didn't want to eat in the park, so we decided to eat there. And then before that, we went to Starbucks because they were having a BOGO, and I wanted to try the new refresher, which I enjoy. I like how they give this big straw to drink the boba out of. And then lunch was good. The only thing is, like, the omelet I had was like really salty, but other than that, everything was so good and everything came out quickly, and our server Manny was great. Oh yeah, and shout out to my friend Chris, the cast member that was working the monorail, because he allowed us to go inside and check out, you know, where he drives, his office, like he calls it. Unfortunately, we wasn't able, or like any guest was able to like ride with him while the monorail is going around. But it was still cool to like check it out, and I got to like honk the horn, and so, which I will insert the clip of him recording me honking the horn in his driver's spot. Like, the seat was really high. I felt like being in a semi truck. But it was a really hot day. Like, summer in Florida is very brutal. It's toasty, it's like humid, it's like, it was 90 degrees out, so didn't really want to stay too long out in the park because it was so hot. But I hope you guys enjoyed this day. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you next adventure. Bye.